Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can install Exalate for Freshservice. So what you want to do is you can head out to our Exalate website and then basically you want to go to the integration and then Freshservice. So you can go to this URL, or you can go, if you scroll all the way down, you can click on Freshservice integrations and it will redirect you to this page. You want to click on start for free. This will redirect you to start your 30-day free trial. And then you have to give your credentials and also your phone number. So let's do that real quick. Submit. This will generate a node for you. So as you can see, Freshservice node. And then you have to provide the credentials for that node. So what you have to do is provide your Freshservice URL. So just provide that right here. And then the token. So how do I get a token? Go to your account and then under profile settings, and then show API key, copy key, provide a key in here, start trial, and then provide your email. After confirming, you'll get an email. There we go. Verify Exalate, and then you will be redirected to your node again. So log in, and there you go. So now you have your node and you can already start creating connections and do everything you want to do with Exalate.